Jai Bhim Lal Salam. I'm Gopika Jain, USU Vice President. As per the 20th November 2025 Supreme Court ruling, as per the Union Environment Ministry's new definition of the Aravalli Ranges, only landforms that are 100 meters above the general relief will be considered as Aravalli Ranges. What this definition does, it makes inroads for mining related activities to take place and destroy almost 90% of what we understand as the Aravalli Ranges. Aravalli Ranges are a living ecological system of the northern part of India that protects it from the desertification extended by the Thar Desert. It is a groundwater recharge for rivers such as Sabarmati, Chambal, and Luni, and it protects Delhi, NCR, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat from air pollution related hazards. And what this policy does, it already threatens the indigenous, the marginalized communities living in that area. It threatens them against wildlife conflict, which will be increased by the laws of habitat. They will be exposed to mining related blast and diseases such as silicosis, and it will decrease their food security. For us people living in the Delhi NCR, the extent of what air pollution can do to our health is already known to us. And when Rekha Gupta and the Modi Sarkar are banning tandoors in restaurants and banning the e-rickshaws that are an alternative, green alternative to the petrol diesel vehicles, environmentalism has already become a joke in this country and in this era of the Modi Sarkar. Let us come together and save what is left of our ecological systems of this country. Let us protect the Aravalli. I appeal to all of you to join in this campaign for Save Aravalli. Jai Bhim, Lal Salam.